Welcome. In front of me I have HAYLOU RS5 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset or restart this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the system and tap on it. And here find the option called reboot and select it. Then tap on the checkmark to confirm and restart the watch. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.